Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my last final video, going over the Business Credit One-on-One mentorship that I offer. The last one I offered was in August of 2022. And then just recently, I started offering again the one-on-one business credit mentorship for those that really need it. So I'm going to kind of break down everything in this short video. It's not for everybody. It is limited spots, but as you can see behind me, there's several business cards there, and then they got stacked here. Roughly, I would say about 1.4 million. And out of that, I would say 70% of that is business credit. And out of the business credit, I would say 60 to 70% of that would be no personal guarantee. All right. They range from credit lines, credit cards, charge cards, fintech cards, credit lines, lines of credit, draw lines of credit, equipment financing lines of credit. Not so much a lot of vendor credit, although I do have those, but the majority of it is, say, gas cards, store cards. But what most people want is cards that you can actually get cash out of to fund something in your business, or uh, funding ability to fund whatever business you have, because not everybody can, say, use a Walmart card, business card, or JC Penney's or Best Buy. It's just not practical for every business. But with the one-on-one business credit mentorship, I actually show you how to leverage some of those store cards so you can, I don't want to say pull cash off, but how you can actually use it to your benefit as well. So this is the last offering that I'll be doing. I don't know when I'll be doing one-on-one business credit mentorship again. It could be in several months from now, or it could be in a year from now. I'm not sure. But I already have several people already signed up. I can only take on so many at a time. So I have two options. I have a 3-week one-on-one business credit mentorship. That's like for 3 weeks. And then I have a 6-week business credit one-on-one mentorship. What's included with both of those is you get me 1 to 2 hours phone call with me every week. And then also we go through on email as well. So basically, start of it, if you sign up and we're a good match, because not everybody is a good fit for my programs. Okay. So first of all, what I do once you sign up is I review your current situation. What's your business credit goals? What's your business goals, short term and long term? And then I look at your business credit profile. If you don't already have a business set up, that's fine too. I can help you from the ground up. But I basically look at your business credit reports, mainly Experian and Dun and Bradstreet, but then secondary, I'll pull the other bureaus such as the Equifax PayNet and Credit Safe. I'll look at those, make sure that the filmographic data, such as on Experian, you can see my past Experian business credit videos that I've shown where can be a lot of mistakes and can be split business credit profiles where some trade lines that you have is being reported to two different Experian business credit profiles. So we want to get that corrected. So that definitely can help. And a lot of business credit profiles on Dun & Bradstreet and Experian are lacking a lot of the rich filmographic personal information, such as the website address, the email address, the business founder's information, or the key personnel, the vice president or president, director, owner. Things like that do help the scores, and they do help with getting approvals. All right. You don't need to have perfect credit for obtaining business credit, although it does help quite a bit if you do have good personal credit. A lot of these business credit lines on here, these different cards, they will do either soft pull. Most of them don't really do hard pull. I try to avoid anything that's hard pull. It is best if you do have some funds in your business bank account at the time of starting the mentorship. If you don't, it makes things more difficult. Again, this isn't for everybody, but that's basically what I do. And I advise you weekly and give you goals and links to go after every week what to apply for based on your particular business credit situation and your goals. Because what's good for Sally isn't always the best for, say, Tom, you know? So it really is customized based on your business credit goals and your business credit profile, age, and industry, all that. All right. Like I said, I help you fix any mistakes that could be potentially on your business credit profiles. And that's actually like 50% of the time that I review clients and do consultations. 50% of the time, that's these business owners don't even know there's mistakes, and I catch the mistakes. And some of those mistakes can actually cost you either um, denials or approvals on business credit trade lines, uh, credit cards, or they can get you a lower limit starting off. So if those things were corrected, you're going to have a much better chance for getting a approval and a higher approval as well. I go over all the interbanking relationships, such as like Synchrony, Community, Capital One, Blue Tarp, Trade, Citi, Financial, all those underwriters I go over and try to get you prepared for each and every one of them so you can get approved for all those. All right. Just looking at my notes here. So yeah, it's not a one size fits all. It's going to be based on your particular situation and your goals. And we go over that on a consultation and everything. If you are interested, you can text me below 937-423-9954. Please don't call me. That is my personal cell phone, but just text me your name and that you're interested in the business credit mentorship, the 3 week or the 6 week. We do a free consultation, like 15-minute consultation to see if the program is right for you. I have about 2 or 3 spots for the full-time 6 week program. And then I have 4 to 5 spots for the part-time 3 weeks. Okay. The prices are 500 for 3 weeks and 1,000 for the 6 week. Okay. And that's much lower than I charged last year. Last year I was charging for 1 month $1,500. So I've lowered it, trying to help more people out and get back on the whole YouTube, because I did take a break. You guys know that, for my health and stuff, my Parkinson's. Anyways, all that being said, that's all for this video. Again, keep in mind, this isn't for everybody. And, um, you can still watch all my videos and get basically the same benefit out of my channel for my videos, the same as my mentorship. There's the only thing difference is um, it's basically customized. But if you take the time to understand everything with business credit, then you don't need my mentorship, honestly. There's been several people contacting me in the past and even recently wanting mentorship. They've had the money to pay me, but I actually send them away and say no, because I just don't think there's not a whole lot I can do, because they've already done such a good job with their business credit profiles and trade lines, following my advice over the years. Anyways, again, all that being said, you guys take care. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I got tons of new content coming before the end of 2023. Again, text me 937-423-9954 for the one-on-one business credit mentorship consultation. Again, the spots are limited. In total, I have about 6 spots, only about 2 or 3 for the 6 weeks. All right. And I'm not sure when I'll offer it again. Anyways, you guys take care. Thanks again.